I'm Shannon. I've been here 4 years and my title is Quality Control Lead. Coming from a small community, quality is important to, I believe, the people, employees within this company. It reflects who we are. We've had times when we've had to stop production because there's been a bad test show up, especially in the die test. Occasionally we'll see some red or some pink show up that doesn't wash out, that we know that our process is not working correctly, that we've had to say, hold up, let's start over. Occasionally it's good to go through and observe what is out there and what's really going on. What does our customer see, and be able to bring that back to our company and say, hey, we need to work on this. We can do better than this. The importance of quality is integrity. You care about what you do. You care about those that you influence, that you affect.